Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to share with you a very special recipe. I've been making this for years and I know all the tricks, and I'm going to show you so you can get it right every time. The first thing you want to start with is the butter. Make sure that you take this out of your fridge first to let it soften, especially if you're going to be doing it by hand. But today we have the mixer. We have electronic power to help us. So I'm going to take these 2 sticks of butter and put them in the mixer. The next part is we're going to use the sugar. We have our white sugar in with the butter, and our brown sugar. I like to go dark, but you can, whatever brown sugar you like, into the mixer. Then we're going to pop that down and start mixing. This step where we mix the butter and the sugar together is called creaming. I've heard that it helps with leavening, helping the cookies rise, but I find it's best for just distributing the butter and the sugar evenly throughout the dough. Now prepare yourselves for hyperspeed! Next, I add the eggs, and I want you to pay close attention to my technique. I crack the eggs on a flat surface before piercing the shell with my thumbs. This helps prevent any shell fragments from entering the dough, which is a problem when cracking the eggs on an edge. Remember this lesson: crack eggs on a flat surface. Make sure to give your bowl and beater an occasional wipe in order to incorporate all those sticky ingredients. Add in your vanilla, and here's a fun fact: vanilla and chocolate both come from fruits. The next step is the dry ingredients. I begin by mixing the flour, salt, and baking soda in a separate bowl before adding it to the mixing bowl. Now I want you to be careful and add only a little bit of this mixture at a time. Here I'm doing it in thirds. I'll mix in a third, and then another third, and then the final third. If I put in too much of this flour mixture at one time, it'll fly everywhere when I turn on the electric mixer. Next is a fun step where we mix in all the chunky stuff, the chocolate chips and walnuts. The walnuts help to add some bulk to the dough, as well as a bitter note that will add depth to the flavor. And there you have it, the dough is mixed. Make sure you try to collect everything you can from the beater. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks so good. Does anybody want to lick the beater? Anybody? Oh.
You done?
Here, try this.
Okay. What'd you make?
You can't tell. That's chocolate chip cookie dough right there. The best in the world. How is it?
We don't know yet.
The next step of this process is we're going to take our recently mixed cookie dough and we're going to wrap it in saran wrap and then put it in the fridge to chill. It only needs to be in there maybe 5-10 minutes, but it's very important for the butter to set up again. So we need to let it chill for just a little bit. And we've taken a little break, and our dough has had time to chill in the fridge. Now it's ready. We're going to go take it over and put it on the baking sheet. Let's take it over. Thank you for joining with me today to make these cookies. They turned out perfect. They're just the right amount of crispiness, just the right amount of chewiness, and we chose the right kind of chocolate. It tastes amazing. I hope that you can practice this yourself and enjoy it in your own kitchen. Thank you so much. Okay guys, let's enjoy these cookies now.